Hello, I'm excited again. So I'm sorry I couldn't wait. I'd ordered a big box of stuff and I didn't know which bit was in which pack, so it's here. If you've been following along with my little videos, the Facebook group, you will see lots of the tea bag cards that I've been doing, and the downloads, the papers, the tiles, the kits, and I am just loving these so much. And I know not everyone's got access to a printer to be able to print them at home, so I decided to do one of my little books with them. So I hope you like it. It's just literally come from the publishers. So basically what you get is you get 20 sheets. There's 10 sheets with 6 large tiles and 10 sheets with 12 medium tiles. So you can make at least 30 cards with the book. So I'll give you a little flick through and then I'll show you some of the sample cards. So this is the 6 tile sheets of the larger size, and then the smaller there's 12 of. So I've done a large and a small set in case you want to mix and match. So I've got a couple of videos on some basic folds, and then if you want to pop over and have a look at the blog, I've got some different card samples that I've made. And then you always get sort of like a couple of sheets at the back, and that's just the way they're printed. So what I tend to do is I use this as a mini notepad to make notes and ideas of stuff that I want to make, different colours. So I've got somewhere jotted down so I can refer back to. So I don't waste these. I use them as my little notepad to keep the ideas for to use within the books. So just to show you some of the samples, apologies, these are already in little bags. So, but you'll be able to get an idea. So just to give you an idea, this one, there's a video showing you how to do the fold. This is 4 tiles, so you'll be able to make that with 4 of the larger ones, or 4 of the smaller ones if you want to make a smaller one. So if you pop over to Amazon, pop in Opulence by Design Crafts and scroll down, on all of my books I try and include sort of like a little bit of a gallery to show you what's included. So you've got the front and the back cover of the book, then you've got all of the sheets that are included. So the way that the publishers are is you've got a design on one sheet. They class a page as being each page like a book. Well, obviously we're going to craft with one sheet, so the other side's blank. So that's why it's set out like this, just so you can see that's the craftable sheet, so you can cut it out and craft with it. So these are all the sheets that are included. And then I've been popping some sample cards on made using the designs just for a bit of added inspiration for you. So I hope you like it. Please let us know in the comments. And I've got lots of these, so if you would like me to do a volume 2, I am more than happy to do that. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will be doing more videos, more techniques on the tea bag folding cards over the next couple of weeks, so please stay tuned. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.